Hi everyone, I'm Christa, teacher of crystal healing classes as well as holistic healer, and welcome to my video on the healing benefits of Rainbow Moonstone. Rainbow Moonstone is a beautiful gemstone to have in your crystal collection. It's quite easy to find Rainbow Moonstone in crystal shops as well as online shops. So I would like to show you some pieces of moonstone that I have so that you can see it, and then we'll get into the healing benefits of the stone. Okay, so the first piece that I would like to show you is this one. I have this nice teardrop shape. And as you can see right here, there is some beautiful flash there, some gold, some blue. And if I turn it over on the back side, you can see right there that there's lots of beautiful gold, blue flash in the back here as well. Okay, I have another piece here, and this one has quite a bit of blue flash as well. So you can see all of that blue flash there. You have to shine these stones just right in the light to be able to see that. So we've got some beautiful blue flash there. And I also have a bracelet that I would like to show you as well. So this is a beautiful bracelet that I have. And we've got some blue flash here in the bottom of these. This one has a lot of blue flash. So we can find blue flash, we can find gold flash in there, we can find colors of peach, orange, sometimes a little bit of green or purple can show up there. Each of these stones is unique in terms of the flashes of different colors that you will see in the stone. So one of the beautiful healing benefits of this stone is that it helps you to connect to your own inner individuality and your own inner light, so you can stand strong in your gifts, your abilities, your talents, your skills, and shine that in the world to your fullest potential, and really embracing all of the unique qualities that you have that make you you. So if you go to a crystal shop and you see all of those moonstones, let's say in a tray, and you're looking at all of them, they're all beautiful, they're all unique, they're all different, and they're all special, just like you. So it really teaches us to embrace our own special, unique characteristics. Also, Rainbow Moonstone is a beautiful cleanser. It helps to cleanse the aura of emotions and stress that can get stuck in the aura, so that your aura can hold more light, just like Rainbow Moonstone being bright and vibrant. Sometimes stress energies and negative emotions can get stuck in the aura. That can weigh us down, making us feel heavy, lethargic, or those emotions can then be magnified when they get stuck in the aura. So a little bit of irritability can morph into bigger anger, a little bit of worry can then morph into anxiety. So the beautiful energies of Rainbow Moonstone act as a cleanser, flushing out that emotional congestion, flushing out that stress from the aura, so that your aura is bright, shiny, sparkling, and holding lots of bright color. Also, Rainbow Moonstone cleanses the chakras, all of the 7 major chakras of the body. And when you look at the moonstone, you see those beautiful flashes of different colors. The chakras can hold energy congestion, emotional congestion, and stress in the chakras as well as the memories of past traumas. So working with Rainbow Moonstone can help flush out the chakras, cleansing them, purifying them, resetting the balance of the chakras so that they are strong and healthy, so that you can express yourself through your chakras in a beautiful, bright, healthy, and balanced way. Rainbow Moonstone also helps us to be centered and balanced. So if you get stressed out easily, or you've had a really challenging day and you're feeling irritable, stressed, or anxious, worried, or sad, whatever the case may be, whatever emotions are showing up for you, the Rainbow Moonstone is like hitting the reset button to just reset balance there, helping you to come back to your center, to be strong, centered, balanced, and also grounded. So Rainbow Moonstone is so beautiful for that. Also, Rainbow Moonstone, hence the name Moonstone, connects to the healing energies of the moon. So if you find that you get sensitive around different moon cycles, so let's say full moon, you get a little bit more emotionally sensitive. Maybe you're feeling teary-eyed or sad or get more anxious or ungrounded, spacey or flighty around the lunar energies, the full moon energies. Working with Rainbow Moonstone can help balance that out for you, to help reduce that sensitivity, help to even out and balance out your emotions, helping you to be grounded and ride out those beautiful lunar energies, but also to connect to the healing energy of the moon as well, to support you in your daily living experience. Also, Rainbow Moonstone helps to boost optimism, creativity, and inspiration. So if you're going through a bit of a dry spell where you're feeling not very inspired, so if you find that your job is no longer inspiring you, or let's say you're working on a project and you're not feeling inspired anymore. So let's say you're doing some writing project or working on an art project or even a project around the house and you just are losing steam and don't want to do it anymore and feeling uninspired. Working with Rainbow Moonstone can boost that inspiration, give you that beautiful creative burst of energy to work through that project, to do it, to get it done, and to enjoy it as well. When I look at Rainbow Moonstone and I see all of the colors in there, I can't help but to smile. It's just got this beautiful, bright, joyful energy. So working with Moonstone can help you to reconnect to the joys of life, the joy of your work, the joys of relationships. If relationships are feeling a little bit stale or stagnant, really reconnecting to the sweetness and the joy and the color of life once again. Rainbow Moonstone also governs feminine energy, so helping you to connect to your feminine side, and also it represents goddess energy and priestess energy. So if you like to work with different goddesses, so whether that is Goddess Tara or other types of goddesses, Goddess Diana or even Goddess Isis, whichever goddesses that you feel drawn to, you can work with Rainbow Moonstone to connect more deeply to their healing energies and even their archetypal energies, to embody their beautiful qualities that they have, to help you to embody those qualities, to express those beautiful goddess qualities in your life as well. Also, Rainbow Moonstone is a great stone to work with to harmonize two groups of women. So sometimes groups of women can get into the shadow side, which the shadow side would be gossiping, complaining about each other, jealousy. So women being jealous of other women, women gossiping of other women. Okay, sometimes that shadow, that feminine shadow side can arise in that way. And the Rainbow Moonstone can help release that shadow side of the feminine to help build these beautiful connections to women and bring out the good qualities, the compassion, the kindness, the gracefulness, the beauty, the love of those beautiful light qualities of the feminine energy and restore good balance there. Or even if you are working with groups of women, let's say you have a workspace, and let's say you work with a lot of women and you want to harmonize with the groups of women, Rainbow Moonstone can help you with that as well, to harmonize in a nice cohesive way, to have good teamwork with other women as well, and bring out those beautiful feminine qualities of working towards the greater good. So Rainbow Moonstone is so beautiful for that as well. Okay, so I would like to show you one little healing technique to get you started with Rainbow Moonstone. So one last quality of Rainbow Moonstone is that it also helps you to embrace new beginnings as well. So if life is changing, whether you initiate change or maybe change happened that was out of your control, Rainbow Moonstone can help you to embrace those new beginnings and to shine your beautiful light into the world, shining your gifts, skills, talents, and abilities. Okay, so I want to show you a little healing technique that can help you with that. So we take the Rainbow Moonstone. You can just close your eyes and take a nice deep breath in to center yourself. And exhale fully. And then we're going to speak a healing intention to the stone to bring out the healing effect that we would like to achieve with the stone. So you can repeat after me. Thank you, Rainbow Moonstone, for purifying my aura, cleansing my aura of all stress and emotional congestion, so that I may be bright, shine my light into the world, embrace my gifts, and embrace new beginnings. In full faith, so be it. And now take the rainbow moonstone and just hold it to the top of your head for the crown chakra. And as you breathe deeply, sense, see, and feel a beautiful waterfall of energy in rainbow colors, blues, greens, golds, purple, orange, pouring down through your aura, cleansing you of all stress and emotional congestion, cleansing you of anxiety, cleansing you of any sadness, cleansing you of any anger, irritability, or grief. And as you breathe, sense, see, and feel all of those beautiful rainbow colors pouring out of this stone, flowing down through your aura like a waterfall of energy, cleansing out all stress and emotional congestion. You might sense, see, and feel those stress states or emotional congestion as patches of gray fog in the aura. And as the light of the moonstone shines into your aura, it dissolves all of that dark, foggy energy, that stress, those emotions, purifying your aura so that your aura is bright, shining, and vibrant. And as you breathe deeply, sense, see, and feel that your aura is sparkling and shining with lots of beautiful color: gold, purple, green, orange, violet, beautiful and shining and bright. And now as your aura is holding all of that beautiful light, now you can shine your light into the world, shining your gifts, skills, talents, and abilities, and also to embrace change and beautiful new beginnings and the blessings that new beginnings bring into your life. And taking one more nice deep breath in and exhale. And then slowly opening your eyes. Okay, so now what you can do is take the rainbow moonstone and carry it in your pocket or wear it as jewelry throughout the day. So as you go about your daily activities, the rainbow moonstone is continuing to radiate beautiful, bright, healing energy into your aura. Okay, so I would like to know if you have rainbow moonstone in your crystal collection. Please type in the comments below yes or no. And if you do have rainbow moonstone, please type in the comments, leave your comments of what you really like about rainbow moonstone and how you like to work with rainbow moonstone. I would love to hear from all of you. I would like to know if you have that in your crystal collection. I think it's very interesting to share crystal stories and what you have in your collection and how you like to work with rainbow moonstone. So please leave your comments below. I would love to hear from you. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you would like to go deeper into the wonderful world of crystal healing, I do offer live and interactive online crystal healing classes through Zoom, and I run those classes on a regular basis. So to check out my class schedule, you can visit my website, learncrystalhealing.com, or my other website, christalyn.ca. Thank you so much for watching. May you enjoy working with your beautiful rainbow moonstone, and may you enjoy this beautiful day. Lots of light, love, and blessings to you, and namaste.